Now we have the drawing period, and now today we are going to do mixing of the color by their own using the flow technique. In flow technique, first we will moist the paper. I have taken some colors and paper I have taken. Will moist the paper like this with water. Lot of water will be needed for that. You can dip the paper in the water and then put it in the table, and then it will be more easier to do. Now I will color this. Look here how the color is spreading, and very less work of, like this we can hold the page and so that it spreads. A little more water, and I will use another color that is blue. You will see what effect we are getting. We will moist it to make it flow like this. Somewhat sky type look is coming. Now we will use another color. You can use little bit of green orange here. Look how it is spreading. Look here how how color is spreading. After this we will make it the paper dry. And I will use little green color also. You can see for what I am using the green color. Look, now we have almost made the initial stage, but we have to make it dry. Stop. So after drying, we will add detailing to this picture. Okay, let's see what can we do. I am making two lines. See how strokes I am taking. This one single, this is one stroke, second stroke, third stroke. इस तरह से like this you have to do, so that the top part is pointed like grass. Here you can smudge it. Here also greenery is there, so I will make one line here, and you can do like this. So on the flow technique, main base coloring has to be done. After that you have to use brush in this technique. Main initial painting you have to rough work you have to do with that. Now we will do the leaf. So here you can use a thin brush also according to your choice or convenience. I am using the same brush, but you will not be able to do this thing with making the leaf with thick brush. So you use here little thin brush as per your convenience. Then just we can complete this painting. And one more thing you add, take another brush and make a sun here, and it will give a better look. You can just make a semicircle, and as you go down till horizon, here you color little bit. And like this you will be able to complete the drawing. You can make little darker shade also. Okay, so almost we have completed. You can use little dark color also in the leaf part with black. So we have done the drawing, and you can see that with the brush only the tree, sun and some bushes and grass is made. Others all painting is done by flow technique, and no brush is used for mixing the different colors in the sky and water. So you do this at home, and you can take any landscape for doing, not necessary you will do this one.